So you might be wondering, how do you exactly craft and use the disassembly workbench in SurrounDead? Well, this one is quite easy. So how do you exactly start using them? Well, in order for you to start using them, you first need to have the appropriate bench. Now, the crafting bench and the disassembly workbench here are two separate benches. Now, typically, you can craft the workbench in your crafting menu here. So you have this one. So you need to craft this first. But once you've crafted that, you want to go and just go ahead and open up your workbench here, and you want to look for your disassembly workbench. Now, inside the disassembly workbench, you want to go and craft them and place it somewhere in your area. So I already placed them. So yeah, how do you start using them? Now, the thing with crafting benches here, well, typically you should see all the items that you can craft. Now, depending on the item that you want to craft, like for example, if you want to craft a lockpick, you go and just select that, and it show you all the necessary pieces that you need in order to craft that specific item. Like for example, it needs like high quality metal, which you can also craft inside the crafting bench here. You also need sharp blades, which you can basically loot those in certain locations, and you also have the nails here, which you can craft using scrap metals. But yeah, so once you do selected the item that you want to basically craft, you want to go and just click on craft selected items, and that would craft your item that you want to use. Now, that's how you exactly start crafting items. Now, don't worry about the items being in your inventory. They will automatically pull that, so don't worry about it. So yeah, in here, now, how do we use the disassembly workbench? Now, the thing with the disassembly workbench, it's actually hit or miss. It can disassemble a bunch of items, but not every item that you have. So just keep that in mind. Like, for example, I want to disassemble the camping light here. And maybe I want to disassemble the construction light as well. So yeah, once you do have all the items that you want to disassemble, you could go ahead and just basically click on disassemble items, and that will disassemble all the items that you currently have. But the thing with this one is, again, like what I said, not all items can be disassembled. So if it's still in this disassemble area, well, it's not, you're not be able to disassemble them. So you could just add this to your inventory here. I have my own large toolbox here. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.